I'm going to show you how to do the cable for back or the C4B with using a cable needle or a DPN. So I've created a little swatch here with 3 cables, the C4Bs, that I'm going to use to show you how to do this. So the cable for back is 4 stitches and you are holding stitches to the back. So what you are going to do, they have 4 stitches here. We're going to hold these first 2 stitches to the back of our knitting, and then we're going to knit these 2 stitches off our left needle, and then we will knit the 2 stitches that we held back to the back of our knitting, and then we will cross the cable. So I'm just going to show you this. So I will work to the first cable here. Okay, so now I'm at the cable. So using your cable needle or your DPN, you're going to slip the first 2 stitches onto your cable needle or DPN, and then we're going to hold these 2 stitches to the back of our work, like so. So just let them be there. And then you're going to knit the next 2 stitches off your left needle, like so. And then you will work the 2 stitches off your cable needle or your DPN. And there is your C4B, or your cable for back. Okay, I will show you this again. So once again, the cable for back is we're going to slip the first 2 stitches of the cable onto our DPN or cable needle, and we're going to hold these 2 stitches to the back of our work. And then we are going to knit 2 stitches off of our left needle, like so. And then we're going to knit these 2 stitches off our cable needle or our DPN. And there we once again have the cable for back. And I will show you this one more time. So we're going to slip the first 2 stitches off our left needle. We're going to hold it to the back of our work. And then we're going to knit 2 stitches off our left needle here. 1 and 2. Whoops, 2. And then we will knit the 2 stitches off our cable needle or our DPN. Like so. And there we have the cable for back. 3 different ones. And if you are adventurous, you can do this cable without a cable needle. It'll speed up your knitting, and I have a video tutorial on how to do that. So good luck.